In the election-bound state of Uttar Pradesh, all sorts of jibes are being hurled at each other. And while Prime Minister Narendra Modi concluding his visit in the home constituency of Varanasi, Akhilesh Yadav, Samajwadi Party president, told Prime Minister Modi to finish these Aakhari Din, the last days, as Varanasi is famous for, of course referring likely to the political time of Prime Minister Modi. Take a look now at what Akhilesh Yadav had said, which many have termed distasteful.
जो अभी तक विकास के कार्यों का उद्घाटन हुआ है.
As state of war, Uttar Pradesh has been fanned to fever pitch with Monday's Kashi fervor. A vicious snipe from BJP's main challenger in the state has dropped like a bombshell. Asked about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's month-long plans in his Lok Sabha constituency Banaras, here is how Akhilesh Yadav shot back.
बनारस में आज प्रधानमंत्री हैं और 1 महीने का कार्यक्रम वहां रखे जा रहे हैं.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. 1 महीना नहीं, 2 महीना, 3 महीना वहीं रहें, अच्छी बात है. वो जगह रहने वाली है. आखिरी समय पर वहीं रहा जाता है बनारस में.
A stray bullet that is being seen as distasteful and displaying a vicious personal disregard for a rival political leader, especially someone like Narendra Modi, who has always managed to convert such belligerence into political capital. Only time will tell if Akhilesh Yadav's Aakhari Din attack has anywhere close to the same kind of effect that Manishankar Iyer did when he made the infamous invitation to candidate Narendra Modi to serve tea at the Congress party headquarters in the run-up to 2014 elections. But in the state of war Uttar Pradesh, expect no ammunition to be left on the shelf.
जिन लोगों ने अयोध्या में राम भक्तों पर गोलियां चलाई हो, उन्हें सनातन धर्म भक्ति का महत्व ही नहीं मालूम है. इसीलिए ये महत्व तो भारत के सनातनियों को ही मालूम हो सकता, दूसरे किसी को नहीं.
भव्य काशी का ये रूप देखकर, बाबा विश्वनाथ कॉरिडोर को देखकर शायद ये लोग इतने सत्ता गए कि कहीं ना कहीं इनकी सोच और इनके संस्कार वो सब सामने आ रहे हैं.
Despite the criticism, Akhilesh Yadav did not shy away from launching yet another attack, and this time on Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath.
बजट बह गया, लेकिन कोई नदी साफ नहीं हुई, क्योंकि हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी जानते हैं कि ये नदियां कोई साफ नहीं है, इसलिए मां गंगा में डुबकी नहीं लगाई उन्होंने.
The Modi Akhilesh Takkar has been simmering for the last few days. Last week, the Prime Minister opened his direct attack at the Samajwadi Party, drawing an immediate response.
याद रखिए, लाल टोपी वाले यूपी के लिए रेड अलर्ट है, रेड अलर्ट, यानी खतरे की घंटी है.
ये लाल टोपी का सवाल नहीं है. हमें आप बताओ, फरार कप्तान पकड़ा गया कि नहीं पकड़ा गया? इस सरकार ने झूठे मुकदमे लगाए, झूठी जांच कर रही सरकार, इनका झूठा प्रचार है, इनके वादे जुमले हैं, जनता इनको हटाना चाहती है.
That flashpoint has set off a chain reaction of crossfire between both sides, including a consistent salvo of attacks by Akhilesh Yadav that the BJP was taking credit for his party's work.
ये सरकार ऐसी है जो नाम बदलने वाली है, रंग बदलने वाली है, और फीता लखनऊ से दिल्ली से कैंची और उद्घाटन होने लगा.
Uttar Pradesh's state of war is now well and truly in top gear. With Mohit Sharma in Kashi, Bureau Report, India Today.
And not just Akhilesh Yadav. Rahul Gandhi went a step further and accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi of hogging the limelight of what was otherwise meant to be an event for the Kashi Vishwanath corridor and for Varanasi in general. He's accusing Narendra Modi basically that he was there just to see the event was for himself and not for Kashi. Here's a detailed report on how the Congress party has attacked the Prime Minister.
a huge transformation in the holy city. The Kashi Vishwanath Corridor, a dream project for Prime Minister Modi, a public gift to pilgrims and 8 lakh families who call Kashi their home. But while the Prime Minister painted the city saffron quite literally, politics over Prime Minister's Kashi visit has exploded. Congress took the opportunity to slam Prime Minister over not just his visit, but also his headline moment, the holy dip.
अकेले प्रधानमंत्री गंगा में स्नान करेंगे, पूरा हिंदुस्तान देखेगा, पूरा हिंदुस्तान देखेगा, क्योंकि एक प्रधानमंत्री के पीछे पूंजापतियों की 2-3 शक्ति है.
Senior Congress leader P. Chidambaram mocked the Prime Minister's visit, dubbing it nothing but an election stunt.
He will skip everything and go to Varanasi. You will find him now only in Ayodhya, Varanasi and other places.
A day before the unveiling of the 800 crore rupee makeover project, the BJP's main rival in UP, former Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav, sparked a credit war when he said the corridor project was initiated when his party was in power. And he's ready to show proof.
काशी विश्वनाथ कॉरिडोर भी अगर किसी ने कैबिनेट में पास किया था तो शुरुआत किसी की थी, तो समाजवादी सरकार की थी. वो भी हम डॉक्यूमेंट दे देंगे आपको.
He mocked the Prime Minister by saying that people head to Kashi in their last days.
1 महीना नहीं, 2 महीना, 3 महीना वहीं रहें, अच्छी बात है. वो जगह रहने वाली है, आखिरी समय पर वहीं रह जाता है बनारस में.
The BJP has called it a corridor connecting the hearts of people. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath used the occasion to direct some fire the opposition's way.
कोरोना कालखंड के दौरान कांग्रेस पार्टी कहां थी? बहुजन समाजवादी पार्टी कहां थी? और बबुआ के लिए तो कहना ही क्या है. इन लोगों का कहीं अता पता नहीं था. ये सभी होम क्वारंटीन थे, घर में आराम कर रहे थे.
Meanwhile, the Congress, whose leadership has just made a high decibel pitch against Hindutva, targeted the Prime Minister for the Kashi fervour, hoping to shame him over the recent chopper tragedy.
आज मोदी जी वाराणसी गए हैं, दिया जला रहे हैं. अरे रावत मर के 3 दिन नहीं हुआ, शोक करो. ये बताने के बजाय आप जाके वहाँ आरती कर रहे हो. कहा यूपी चुनाव का? आपकी इच्छा पूरी चुनाव पे है.
Prime Minister Modi returned fire briefly, targeting the opposition for doubting the BJP's capability to deliver, but also for politicizing matters of faith.
कुछ ऐसे लोग भी थे जो बनारस के लोगों पर संदेह करते थे. कैसे होगा? होगा ही नहीं. थोड़ी बहुत राजनीति थी, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ लोगों का निजी स्वार्थ, इसलिए बनारस पर आरोप लगाए जा रहे थे. लेकिन काशी तो काशी है.
The simmering fight for credit on the historic project has turned the corridor of faith into a corridor of politics. Bureau Report, India Today.
Apart from Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was not far behind either. Listen in now to this very strong charge by Mamata Banerjee against Prime Minister Modi's Varanasi visit.
चुनाव का टाइम में हिंदू मुसलमान होता है, चुनाव का टाइम में गंगा डूब होता है, लेकिन चुनाव का बाद गंगा माँ का धरती में डेड बॉडी जाता है तो किसी को याद भी नहीं पड़ता है.